Hey mates, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mates.
This is a place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, link, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues. Hey Alex, let's pick up from where we left and connect our Power Apps that we built in our last episode with Copilot with Fabric.
Sounds great. Enlighten us.
Let's start the process this time with more kind of a Power BI user perspective. What we are going to do is head to Power BI service and create a new data flow connecting to our Dataverse environment in Power Apps.
Oh, now I understand the concept. So, our Power App is landing data on Dataverse, and you are going to connecting your data flow to the Dataverse to capture data. Is right?
Exactly. So let's do this. Let's go over to my machine and let's check the process over here.
Okay.
So as you can see, we create our Power Apps in our last episode, this one, the product invoice. What we are going to be doing to create the connection is, first of all, get the environment URL. As you can see, this is the environment URL here. So then we can switch and go to our Power BI perspective, and in our workspace, you can just create a new artifact here and then create a new data flow from scratch. This is the process to prepare, clean, and transform data connecting to your Dataverse. So when you click here, you create a data flow for the first time, and then going into this process where you define a connection to the new tables. You're going to be creating a new tables with data flows, and in this place you're going to be using this search to connect to your Dataverse. In your Dataverse, remember that when you click here, you're going to be using the connection to your environment domain, the URL that we just pick up from your Power Apps environment, and check all the process on getting the connection done. After you create that data flow, you are doing the whole mashup of your data. If you're familiar with Power BI, you know that all around Power Query, you can create in a graphic design environment everything around this topic, the source connections, the navigation, and if I can click on every single step, you can check the process. We are connecting to the navigation, we are hitting and choosing the columns, then we are renaming some of the columns on with our Dataverse connection. We change that some data types, we remove some columns until we are good to go in terms of our shaping of the data. If you're familiar with the Power Query language, you can go to the advanced editor here and you can check every single detail on all the transformation, all the cleansing of your data. So after this happen, you save your data flow, you refresh this data flow, and you are good to go. This is a common topic to mash up data. And this is the ending of the data flow.
Okay, but wait a second. What is the purpose of creating a data flow? I mean, I was expecting a Power BI report on this session.
Gotcha. Awesome. Awesome question. Let's go back and check on our Power BI environment that you have your data flow ready to go. This is my data flow with all the entities that I'm getting from the Dataverse. Then after I save my data flow and I refresh the data flow, I can go ahead and go to the Power BI report and check this out. This is the Power BI report where if I check my connections here, I am using the data from my Power BI data flow. So I am connecting to the Power BI services, I'm connecting to my data flow, and then I am using all the details on my columns to check on the unit sold, the total cost, the total quantity. I'm grabbing all the data from my data flow, and this report is based on the data that comes from the data flow. Remember, the data flow is connecting to Dataverse, and we are connecting to the data flow here to connect all the dots together to create this Power BI report from scratch.
That's awesome,
Voila.
Gaston. That's awesome, Gaston. Again, yeah. Okay, Power Mates, that wraps up today's episode. And we hope you are as excited as we are again about the potential of combining Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Stay tuned for our next episode. We will be moving forward on this connection and having fun with Fabric and Dataverse.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
Together, let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
See ya.